Welcome back to another video. This time we're playing No Limits. Heck yeah, hell yeah. Fucking fasty boy. Let's go see who the winner is. Gray Ghost, Monkey Jones. It does look pretty sick though. I do like the gray on the Dodge Demon. I'm calling it a demon. Don't care what anybody else says. I'm calling it a demon. I have 5,000. Let's get up more money, like maybe 20 or 10,000. Yeah, 40 gold. So that might be enough for, Ford Coupe. I think. I don't know. I like the yellow color. Could have chose like a little better color, but hey, it's your ride. You can choose whatever color you want it to be. You thought you could win, but I won. Guess we're gonna have to do a tournament now. Okay, if I'm not doing that then. Screw it, we're gonna do it with the turbo, cause you never know till you try. Take a drink of Coke real quick. Ooh, alright, let's try this now. Let's see if we can win. Let's see. See, I thought about going with that car, but I was like, nah. I'll just watching Josh dub, by the way. He's pretty funny. I wonder if they all got small blocks. So I have stage 3 turbo. I think that might still. They probably have 1,000 horsepower if they have a small block on, or they probably have 700 horsepower. But you never know. Round 4, let's go. My grandpa had one of those Hot Wheels cars. He'd always carry around with him. But then one day he lost it while he was go. Round 5, let's do it, boy. Let's go. Small block. They probably have 500 if they have it at stage 2 for small block. But like I said, you never know. Put slicks on it. Did something else. Damn it! Fucking sucks. Just trying to have a good day. I don't want some races, but guess what? That can't fucking happen. Why? So I don't fucking use a turbo, because turbos suck ass. Oh yeah, they look cool and put boost on bullshit that suck. See, I have to go 8 rounds, but turbo, I have to go fucking 4 rounds. I'm like, fucking bullcrap. Alright, fuck it, we're going with this map. Let's just... I don't feel the same enough horsepower. I hate how they fucking start pulling ahead and I just don't get it. If they know they're gonna lose, then just gun it, man. I mean, if you were that person. Round 5 too, and it sucks. It just absolutely sucks when you on like the kind of the last one, and then you lose. Oh look, huh. Another gremlin. Me and him don't have the same rims. Wait. Both have the same Round 4, let's go. Yeah, I got that car. Because it's fast. Have you ever guys watched one of those like fast that was, because that was 212. But, ooh, a safe pair. See, I kind of like them, but I don't like them a lot. I'm just tired of seeing them. They do kind of sound good, but imagine God. Fucking time. I can't fucking right. I'm fucking done. I might just fucking sell this car then. I might just fucking sell it. I'm fucking done playing this game. Can't even win a goddamn race. I'm gonna play some gigabit then. Because fucking seems like the fucking game's, I'm fucking tired of it now. Seems like every fucking time I try to fucking, it gets long, it feels like it gets longer, but then always around fucking fine, man. When I think it's gonna turn green, it doesn't. I wish it was just like fucking full tree. I don't know what, 3, 2, 1, and when we knew when to go. Not when, oh, just pop, just gonna go whenever you want. Fucking bullshit. So we're just gonna play gigabit off-road then. What do you guys think of the, gigabit generally? Turned into a trophy truck. I made it into a trophy truck because I was like, well, I can't hit very good jumps. I can't hit jumps without it just being like bouncy all the time. So I figured I'd do this and turn it into this. Make it an awesome car. Because it's kind of fast, I guess. And then I hit that and it just goes boom. Then we're gonna hit this big old number here. And then now we hit it. Oh no. Oh shoot. And then we land. Well, oh, we don't land it. Do we land it? Yep, we land it. And now we're gonna race, sort of, kind of. It just makes me fucking be on round 4, 5, and then all of a sudden, being thinking, oh yeah, it's about to go. And when I think it's gonna go, it doesn't go. Should we hit a jump in first person? What jump should we hit? Boom. No, just please like, subscribe, please, because I want to get this channel to like 600 or 1,000. If you guys even get me to fucking 10, I'll be so excited. Because if you get me to even 10, I'd be excited. I'd even celebrate it on TikTok. Oh, pretty good. That went pretty good. Ooh, I wonder if I can go on 2 wheels. Yeah, just, if you guys even get me to fucking 6, 7, or 8, or 9, I'm gonna be so excited. Let's try this. Let's go in first person. Oh, fuck, I missed it. Alright, let's turn around and go at it backwards, I guess. Boom. Come on, make it. Yeah, yeah! Let's go. Oh, wow. God damn it. Oh, whoa, oh, oh, save. Saved by the mail. That's actually doing pretty good backwards. But, alright, let's hit this. Let's go. Do a little, ooh, excuse me. Alright, let's try the other side. It's kind of painful. I'm trying. Okay, never mind then. I'm kind of grumpy today. Just, it's normal for me to be a little grumpy. I played Warthog today. It was fun. Except I have low tier tanks and I get shot. One shot at every fucking time. God damn it. I've been trying to get that goat, man. But I guess never mind. Just move on. Just move on with everything. See, I don't understand why they put those there. It's like, what are you gonna use them for? Alright, see, let's do this like little track thing. Never mind. It's my right set. God. Fucking bullshit. This is like the all-around truck that I ever use. Wait a minute. I have another trophy truck. Let's use this one because it seems like the General Lee is not working well. Being kind of gay. Never mind. I wish I could fucking sell the truck. I'd sell every single fucking one, restart all over again. No. This is the only truck I ever use now. Except for a couple. This is the only truck that I gotta use. It's just there. It's got power, it's got grip, it's got almost everything. See, like, turn around up here. Now we're gonna go fast and loud. Fast and loud is awesome. And I like that show, fast and loud. Hey guys, comment down below and you tell me what your favorite car truck is. Or what your favorite show is, or something like that. I have trophy truck suspension in my rear axle. God damn it, makes me just want to keep this truck off the cliff. I wonder if I can find a cliff and get eat. Bro, it's not that hard just to go over fucking bumps. Suck it. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Bad idea. Do not hit that. That's a wall. Or jump. I'm just trying to hit this ball as much as I can. See how many minutes? Oh, 24 minutes. We'll hit a couple more jumps and hit this ball one more time, and then I'll end the video. Alright guys, so I'm gonna hit 3 more jumps. If you guys liked the video, I'm sorry if I raged a little bit. It's just because I was trying my hardest. You get it from my customized.gg, but it's alright though. That's the past. And here's the future. Da, 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 da. Speedy McGee. Oh, shit. Alright, let's get into generally the last part, because I want to go pretty fast in that one jump that we just hit. But once I get money, though, I'm going to buy this. What is it? It's like... These are both like $5. So then, yeah, $5. Then I get $1 million. 5 plus 5 is 10. So I would get $3 million. Yeah, once I get money, I'm gonna get that car, get both of them. I'm gonna spend it all. Well, not maybe, but let's end this off with an awesome video, with an awesome jump, because everyone likes awesome jumps, right? I mean, some of us do like crashes at the end, or like bloopers. But I like hitting jumps because it's fun. Hopefully you all like the video. Oh yeah, we're gonna get number 13. Wait a minute, I have an idea. I have an idea. If you get it, you know. So, I will see you guys later.